Ito lang yung metal tumbler. Hindi maganda eh. May nakalagay Korea pero yung mga design is not really about the city. Ito yung maganda. Kaya lang. Hindi siya metal. Metal ba ito? Tignan mo. Parang metal naman. Diba? Hindi siya plastic. Metal. Ay, kiyawo. Baka may ibang kulay. Ito na, bibili ko. Kiyawo. Ellen, mahal to ah. Alam mo naman Gcash number ko, diba? Thank you. Bibili na po siya ng in-demand na donut. Pinipilaan ng mga tao.
Additional.
Ako na, hindi niya naiintindihan yun. May lahat. Sama? Ang alin?
Yung mga chicken.
May ako naman.
자, 살아있는 새우 골라와요. 자, 살아있는 새우. 자, 활새우 골라, 활새우. 자, 살아있는 새우. 자, 활새우 골라, 활새우. 자, 살아있는 새우.
필요한
오빠, 오빠.
페이 나오고. 외국인들은 거의 다 현금이니까.
어른들은 알겠지. Yes. Wow. 짜장면. 감사합니다. 아빠, 아빠.
May olive yung
tayo. We are in Jeju. Yay! Yeah. Pwede natin kainin. Nen. Opa, 괜찮아요? 괜찮아.
Same food ng ano, baby.
Hello, paano kumuha ng rental car sa Jeju? Mahabang lakaran po. Run. Huh? Baby, where? Where are you going? Oh, okay. Okay. Oo, sige. Kasi nakalagay 1 to 4 eh. Ito ba yun? Picking up our rent-a-car. I6. Opa, kamsahamnida. Tagabuhat ng gamit. Layo, ABCDE, F, G, H, I pa kami. I6. Nasa dulo ng mundo. At tumigil ang mundo. Picking up the car at lot I6. Baby, this one, that's I5. Plate number 1242077. May mga insects. Taray Chevrolet. The key is inside daw. Picking up the car. There's a little bit of scratch. You know, just taking notes. What else? Some scratches. And some dumi-dumi over there. Yung mga scratch. Ala, baby. Ba't mo ba ginagalaw?
Ha?
Ba't mo ginagalaw? Kasya ba? Kasya?
Hindi ko lang.
Yan, parang kasya naman. Lock mo. Lang. Oh, tara na. Alis na po kami. Wow! Bongga. Dipindot yung sasakyan.
Wala tayo nalagay ng cellphone.
Opa, anyong... Ay, sandali. Hello, we're picking up the car from the Lotte parking lot night and just be doing that. The car is not full. The gas is not full. It's like 4.5. Okay? There, oh. Alright.
Yeah. Or maybe this is like the bar. I don't know. Let's
You mean the
clarify
bar?
na lang. The bar will go down once consumed or it's not full. Here's the bar. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell.
Okay.
I don't
Bye.
know. I'm not familiar with this
Bye,
car.
guys. Hello po. Very quick room tour of our room in Jeju. This is the door leading to the outside. This is the CR. Hindi ko na po ipapakita. Nandyan si Antonio. Yan ang mga guidelines. Yun lang naman. And then, this is the room to the room. We have 2 beds. Kalat na ng aming gamit. Kalat. My television, room, and then the mirror, very big mirror, table, hair dryer, bath towels, refrigerator with drinking water, my curtains, pwede niyo pong isara ang curtains if you want. There's kitchen. There are cupboards. Oh, you can heat water. Oh, there are some utensils, plates. Oh, bowls. Nice ones. Nice bowls. Look. Nice. And then there's a door leading to the small balcony. And this is a view of the outside, but wala nakikita ngayon. Pero yan ay tubig sa labas, banda roon. Ayun lang. Tomorrow, this will have a very beautiful view. And that's it for today's video. Good night, everyone.